Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really quick video. I've just finished work and I thought to myself, do you know what? I fancy doing a lip swatch video. So I'm going to do a lip swatch video today on the Balm lipsticks. Now these are minis that I got in a set. This set, I don't think you can get the set anymore, but I have double checked and you can get all these colours as full size. So I thought I'd do some swatch video, do some swatches on here and you can see what the colours look like. I have took the lipstick off I was wearing. I was wearing a red liquid lipstick, so my lips are a little bit pink around the edges, but I don't think that'll detract from what the colours look like. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with the nude shades first. This one is called Sincere. They smell like mint. I don't know if they're meant to smell like mint. I hope they're still alright. I've never opened them, even though I've had them for a while. Yeah, but I thought it'd just be a good idea just to do this. So it looks like a brown more than a nude. Well, they're very moussey. Like I say, it smells like mint. They apply really nice. Set down really fast. So that is the shade Sincere. It's really pretty, that. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is the shade Committed. This is another brownie nude. This has got more of a pink to it than it's like that other one was more peachy. This one looks more reddy, I'd say. Yeah, definitely. Again, they're very moussey, but unless I do like a full day, like obviously trying them, which I will do at one point, you don't feel like you're wearing anything on your lips. Like, it doesn't feel like anything. They dry down so fast. So this is Committed. Right, next I'm going to go in with the shade Doting. Now this is a peach colour. It's ever so pretty. So we shall see how it looks. Ooh, that's nice. Bit streaky compared to the other ones. Got nothing that I've not side by adding another swipe. That is Doting. It's lovely. Like I said, they dry down so fast. They're not touch proof though. Right, the next shade is going more on the pinkier side, and this is in the shade Charming, which is this. Just an FYI before I go on, my dogs are on my bed again and they are snoring, so I feel like I have to tell you so you don't think I'm making weird noises. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a reddy brown. I love the way these smell. They smell like mint. This colour that, I like that. Right, then the next shade is a pink and this is called Dedicated. I love the look of this pink. It looks beautiful. Like, oh, so stunning. Oh yes, that is gorgeous. And that looks like that. That is stunning. That is a really pretty colour. Dedicated. Like I say, really pretty colour. And then the final shade is this bright red called Loyal, and I figured I wore a red today anyway and it goes with this eye look, so I thought I'd finish off the look with this. it's pretty. Bit skewy for my shape, but that is absolutely stunning and it really goes with the look. So guys, that's the finished video. I hope you've enjoyed watching. First impressions, I'm actually really excited to try these properly now. They feel so nice on the lips. Like they say, they smell of mint. I don't know if they're meant to smell of mint, but they smell of mint, and they've got a moussey texture. It's a thicker texture, but they feel so comfortable. It doesn't feel like I've got anything on the lips. I'm going to restart my testing liquid lipstick series, so I will put this on the list to try, because I've got a few to go through, and put that on the day for testing, obviously. Really happy with that. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up, comment down below what you think and what your favourite shade is, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!